Zimbabwe finds itself deep in a constitutional and political crisis, even as Emerson Mnangagwa's administration aggressively pursues a seat on the United Nations Security Council for 2027 to 2028. Critics argue that the government's diplomatic efforts are a smokescreen, detracting from the unrest caused by the enforcement of Constitutional Amendment Bill number 3. Sarabina mashkobdanyi wapangwa na chenzi Mnangagwa cheats global prestige despite Zimbabwe's constitutional turmoil. Then was subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tendra Bele na mobdanyi commissions envoys from around the world are expected in Zimbabwe this week as the administration ramps up lobbying for the Security Council seat. Foreign Affairs and International Trade Minister Professor Amon Murwira is told the Pacific and Caribbean are claiming the outreach strengths Zimbabwe's international standing. After a cabinet meeting, Information Minister Dr. Musoda described the initiative as a showcase of inclusive global governance and Zimbabwe's reliability on the world stage. However, critics have slammed the campaign as a thinly veiled attempt to distract from domestic instability. While they jet around the world promoting Zimbabwe is peaceful and stable, back home, the country is enforcing a constitutional amendment that undermines democracy, said an opposition spokesperson. Minister Murwira defended the campaign, stating one of the strategies is to bring representatives from all over the world who are representatives of the United Nations to come to this country. They will be arriving this week, and we are going to show them several strategies, places, demonstrating the reliability, the peacefulness, and the stability of Zimbabwe. Critics insist this narrative is false. The outreach claims to open new diplomatic frontiers and economic markets, but it cannot mask the fact that Zimbabwe is in the midst of a constitutional crisis, a political analyst said. Despite backing from regional blocs like the EU, opposition voices warn that the regime risks further isolation itself immediately. Support from small states cannot erase the political unrest and democratic deficits caused by the government, the analyst added. Though my developments aripo panguva ino nyika yeZimbabwe, mutungamiri wenyika yeZimbabwe receive criticism from the opposition achizama kuda kumubloka from the seat he is fighting for. In the comment section medu nzafunga embo tukudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Muzona subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.